Hey everyone, it's Rob here at Craft. Today I want to showcase some of the possibilities with using the AI assistant, as we have made some great improvements on this in recent weeks. So as you can see, we have quite a basic document in front of us. We're currently planning a meal for a friend's birthday, but we're lacking on ideas on the exact recipe that we're going to do, apart from having a rough outline, and also we're in need to create and send out some invitations. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the starter and the main course, use the Command Enter shortcut, and ask the AI assistant to create us a recipe. As you can see, it's using the selected text and it's creating us a recipe, which should be completed within a couple of seconds. Now that we have our recipe in our document, ideally what I now want is this to be in a table view. So what I will now do is use the shortcut Command Enter again and just type into the assistant create table. As you can see, it's going to use the selected blocks that we have, which is our recipe, and create our recipe in a table view. Perfect. Now that the table has been inserted into our documents, I feel like this is a much easier way to read our recipe. As you can see, we have the course, dish, ingredients, and instructions all laid out in the table view. What I now want to do is move on to creating and sending out an invitation. So what you can do is just select the highlighted text, and by using the Command G shortcut, what that does, it takes all of the content selected and it places that into a separate page, which we're now going to call invitations. Now that we're in our page, I'm now going to use the assistant for a third time and ask the assistant to create us a birthday invitation. By default, when using the assistant, it will use all of the content within your document. So this time I didn't need to select a specific block or a couple of blocks like previously, because what I want included is the date, is the starter and the main course, which you can see the assistant has generated for us. And we're now going to insert this into the document. Now that's in, what we can now do is just finally remove the content we don't need, and we can also within a couple of seconds quickly style our document by just putting in a preset and also an image, which I'm just going to quickly search for a dinner, and this one looks great. And you can see within a couple of seconds we've now created a recipe and invitations which look great, all by using the AI assistant. This is only one example of how you can use the assistant to help you create and format your documents. There's limitless possibilities. I hope this helps, and happy crafting.